Kadali lang. Ako naman yung jigs, ano eh. Saan naman eh. Oh.
After all the planning and all the stress aning pandemic, here I stand like a princess in my wedding dress, and this day has finally come.
Sun rays touch the coastline on the cotton, show the dust.
First, I love you very much. Period. Wow. Kabalo ko na laming ka na words.
Water's been waiting long.
So we've been together for quite a long time now, and all those years, mga gid kong gipangga, and gigugma jud ko ni masaway sama. Dali anak mo hila ko eh. Nag-prepare ko manik mo hila.
Hold steady, hold steady. The sea comes 'cause the summer forced out the cold.
Ba't ka itong niabot ka sa akong kinabuhi? Medyo, I've seen light. Nakakita ko, I mean,
Storm for hours.
this is really my best version. I learned to control myself and any temptations. And I don't want to go back again to those kind of situation.
But there is one decision in my life that I know is the right one, and that is to spend the rest of my life with you. And I know I will be imperfect as your wife, but I promise to be your lover, companion, and friend forever.
Sun rays touch the coastline.
And you are my one true love and my soulmate. Ug dako ko kayo ko pasalamat sa Ginoo nga ikaw yang gihatag sa ako. And today, I take you to be my husband before God and all those witnesses, all these witnesses we have here. Ug andam na ko ang tusan imong kasipat forever. I love you.
And all our lives we're told. Your stream will take us home. And all our lives we're told.
You may not be the sweetest, but you are definitely the most thoughtful man I know. Wala gyud nimo gipa-feel na ako nga wala ga matter akong decisions. You were always respectful. And thank you so much for everything, for being selfless sa amo ni Liam, for being so supportive, and for being a loving father and partner.
I promise to love you very much. Take care of you. Alagaan ka maski kabalo ko sa pang age gap na una majud ko nimo alagaan. Pero I promise na ako na sa imo daan. And I really promise di lang sa imo sa Ginoo that I will really care for you. And though we cannot say that it's forever, but as long as we have this borrowed life, I will really care for you.
We sell our lives to the sea. The sky